MP Shah Rajya Sabha jong Trinamool Congress na po West Bengal u Derek O'Brien menta kasngi ulahyar sa Mawkrwat Constituency Southwest Khasi Hills District banyasim benta ha ka Youth Empowerment Rally kabala penlong ha Nativity Stadium Mawkrwat ban pan jingkersya na kabenta ukur tong ka party uba sounder strong kaji. Hakani kasngi bones pa ngot kisamla na kaleng ka constituency kilawan banyasim benta. Shushu kala danru ka jing penyang subha sa ka TMC yaki katu kat ningot kisamla kibla mi no na ki party paper. Haba ajing kren u Derek O'Brien ulah kentho ya ka sarkar jalla halor ka jing bamla ban wanra ya ki kampen roy hapo ka jalla hi barok away. U new MP ulah kopru baka TMC kan le bha ha kan election but kan sayo ban thau sarkar hapo ka jalla Meghalaya. Nalor kani u Derek O'Brien ulah therting ya ka party congress da ka baong baka ne ka party ka bala ïohthiah ha ka ba kamsham la le issue ha ki nikis nambala letno na ka banta ka bha ka miat jong ka jai ban riu. Hakani kasi la yo jing kranru na ukurtong ka TMC uba sounder strong kaji uba Ben Johnson Lingdo u president ka TMC Youth Wing Mawkrwat Block lembat kiwe.
We make two more promises to you. One to do with education and the second to do with health. Something about the Congress party.
Congress party, the same party Congress.
At one time, many years ago, the Congress party was like a tree and it had a lot of fruit on the tree. But after so many years, the Congress party is a tree with no flowers, no fruit, no leaves. The Congress party has now become the sleeping party. When was the last time MPs from the Congress party came here and stood here with your people here in this area? When was the last time the Congress party raised any issue of Meghalaya in Parliament? When was the last time the Congress party fought for Khasi to be included in the 8th schedule? When was the last time the Congress want to use you for the vote? Do not vote for the Congress party in Meghalaya.
Make sure that we cast the vote in favor of TMC. Shame bakaliye garai kanomba. Kanomba nunun kicingkala. Baka vote bisong ti kanlek. But cut back. Kaki actually kisi tiyo. But pinjok ben burong. Yaw basong darkashi. But basong darkashi. Unong elak muhat mai jopi. Hikwa na uli basong pinjok. Hikwa haram kisi. Kinai na uli kisa kena. I can come on. Ticket. Hold it. You can jump there because
Even after so many years, Meghalaya only has one government medical college. Is this the Meghalaya we want to leave behind for our children? It's time to speak up about the issues blocking Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.